Welcome back. In this quick and helpful guide, I'll show you how to turn off power saving mode on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Power saving mode is a useful feature that helps extend your phone's battery life by limiting background activities, lowering brightness, and reducing performance. However, when it's enabled, some apps, notifications, and features may not work at their full capacity. If you want your phone to run at normal performance again, disabling this feature only takes a few simple steps. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is the main place where you can manage and customize almost every feature on your phone, including connectivity, apps, security, battery, and display settings. Next, scroll down and see the Device Care option. Tap on it to open the page where you can monitor your phone's performance, storage, memory, and battery usage. Now, tap on the Battery option. This area shows your battery usage, statistics, and different battery management tools. Here you will also find the Power Saving Mode feature. Now, look for the Power Saving Mode toggle switch. Tap the switch to turn it off. Once you disable it, your phone will return to its normal performance settings, allowing apps and features to run without restrictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech guides.